Seoul, capital of Korea, economic and cultural center. A destination not to be missed by tourists who want to do sightseeing, shopping, and have fun. We will introduce top 3 hotels for tourists in Seoul. If you want to receive hotel information every evening, please click the subscribe button. 8 minutes walk from National Assembly Station, 960 meters from Yeouido Station. There are many convenience stores around. The hotel has just been renovated, so it is very spacious and has full amenities such as laundry room and gym. Staffs are very friendly, rated as a value for money hotel. 6 minutes walk from National Assembly Station, 960 meters from Yeouido Station, few steps from GS25 convenience store. There are many restaurants and cafe around. The room is spacious, comfortable, and convenient. There's a washer-dryer and a small kitchen. Friendly and attentive staff. A classic 4-star luxury hotel located in Yeouido, surrounded by nature and building, such as the 63 building, Yeouido Hangang Park, the National Assembly building. You can enjoy great night views from the rooftop bar, offering a variety of dining options. Recommended as a place where you can have a satisfying stay. Get the cheapest hotel booking link in the description box.